Yeah, step on in. We're gonna Timberwolf treasures. We got the molds laid out on the table, pouring that crystal resin today. Bringing a mighty dragon to life. Watch the bubbles slowly drift away. Making dragons, yeah.
Greetings and welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Going to be working on a cute little dragon today. It's an into resin mold, and this is actually my first time using this one. So I'm going to be using a couple different colors today. They are both Roleo. This one's azure and this one's graphite black. And I'm also going to be using some mica powder Good Take in white, because it is a little dragon, but he's holding a skull. So I want to try to make the skull at least partially white. And how you do that is you take some white mica powder, and I'm using just a little sponge applicator like for eyeshadow. Let's find it, and you can flip it inside out and see where the skull is, and I'm going to try to get some white in that area. I am using quite bright colors, so I'm not, well, dark colors I guess, so I'm not sure how well it's going to show up, but I wanted to try. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of white where the skull's face should be. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside because that's all the white we're going to be using. So I've got a couple little paper cuts here. I am using epoxy resin 1:1 here. It is well mixed, and I'm just trying to make sure there isn't a whole lot of bubbles in it. Okay, there's some of that. We have got a thunderstorm going through. If you hear some noise behind me. Okay. So then we're going to that's a very pretty blue. Then we're going to put in some black in the other one. What did I do? Here it is. Hoping I have enough. If not, I may need to just make a small little batch and top it up, which is not a problem at all. Quick stir and see how fast that's all just stirred right in. That's wonderful. And here's another stir. You make sure you stir all the way down to the bottom because you don't want the color just to be at the top. Okay, that's looking, it's a pretty color, but I think I need a little bit more just to make it a little more opaque. Perfect. stir it all in really good. You have to make sure you stir it well so you don't have clumps of mica powder in there. And look how pretty that color is. That's very nice. I've had no complaints since I've been using these Rolio colors. So then we just pour some in. And as Steve McDonald says, from Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, anything like that, you have to do a squidgy widgy, because you want to make sure that you have resin in all the little areas and you don't have a huge air bubbles somewhere. So there, we're going to put it in. Now, oops, a little stuck there, no worries. And let's get some black going on there. One color may take over the other color. With resin, you really don't know what's going to happen until you get the final results. Sometimes I like to just pour two at once to see what they're going to do. Perfect. There we go. I was afraid I didn't have enough, but I have a little bit more than I needed, which is wonderful. So there we go. We're going to let that cure, and we'll be back after it's cured. Thank you.
Welcome back to Timberwolf Treasure. I'm Dave with my wife Colleen.
Hello. We're going to demold the little
Mold.
dragon that we
Demold the mold.
the dragon that I poured earlier with the blues and the blacks. This is an into resin mold, and we're going to see how this turns out.
Okay. Well, it comes out easy so far. Ooh, like that. Oh, that's cool. I like that.
And the little white that I put on it,
Yeah.
that kind of worked, didn't it?
Did. Yeah.
That is this is, if you're into dragons and skulls or looking for markets, this is a mold to consider, because this
Definitely.
is cool.
Look at that.
And it's a dragon with the skull, but it's not huge, so it's not taking a lot of resin, so you can make it
Yeah.
without too much difficulty. And
It's a mold for everybody, really.
it really is.
Yeah.
And we do have a discount code for Into Resin. So if you want to check the description on this video, feel free to get yourself a discount and give our channel a little help along the way.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Timberwolf.
Thank you for stopping by.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
We've reached the end of the road today. Want to thank you for watching along the way. From Timberwolf Treasures, we send our best. Yeah, we thank you, babe. Thank you so much. From Timberwolf Treasures.